You can't take the home from a homeless man. You can take away your streets. You can't threaten a man with nothing to lose or bruise him when he's beat. You can't take money from a poor man or scare a man with no fear. You can't shame a man with no pride or force a stone to tears. But what can you do to a broken man? What can you do to a broken man?
Here's Graham on tossed salad. Another beautiful day of powder skiing.
Walking down this road alone, hoping that you'll find a little peace of mind.
Here we are on the biggest snowstorm of the year on video. What do you kids think? Was that fun? Yeah, yay. Hi, Mama. Okay, say that again. Yeah, it did. Wow. Till I see other dogs. Yes, I
do. It all feels the same. You need a change. It all feels the same. Set your sights.
Okay, here we are, cross-country skiing into town after the video.
Looking hard to see. Looking hard to see. Looking to see something in between.
What you're saying? Think? What do you think of the biggest snowstorm of the century, kids? Is that awesome, Graham? You like the biggest snowstorm of the century, yeah? Woo!
You don't know. To find what you don't know. You wanna go to find what you don't know. You live your days through bad and good. Something in between. There will always be. There will always be. There will always be something in between. When you finally seen it all and found
Push, push, push with your pole! Woo! Push, 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 push!
something in between.
Go, 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 go! Push, 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 push! Skate, Danielle, skate, skate! You're running to beat, skate!
Oh, you're gonna find something in between. All you'll ever need is something in between.
There. Good one, Graham. Whee! Nice.
Good job, buddy. What do you think about cross-country skiing?
Good.
Good. Keep your knees bent. Bend your knees. Good job. What do you think?
Fun.
Fun.
Nice.
come rescue me
Okay, go.
from all I do. I'm putting my faith in you, 'cause there will be time I'm gonna let you down.
Go for it.
I need you to stand your ground. Well, I
Whoa,
hear
there's
you
some big holes you
cry.
got it in.
You're crying in your room. I'm wanting to reach.
Okay, bring it right back to you, buddy. Can you get it right back to you?
Between
Try to control it right back to you.
and
Nice work.
You're
Whoa.
pushing me across that
Good one.
line. Stay
Nice.
with me. Stay with me. Stay with me. Tell me what you need. Stay with me. You smile at me every time I go. You're never gonna let it show. That through every night while I'm away,
Woohoo! Larsen Ridge, another year. First skin.
if I gave you a wish, babe,
Beautiful
would
day.
I be the thing that you change? Would you wish you never smiled, babe?
Dan, is it Dan or
Would you
John?
wish you never asked for my name?
John is lower, Dan is
Oh,
in
yeah,
the
yeah.
shade there.
When you pour all your heart,
First run.
that last fall.
Nice. It's just the noise, but other than that.
Will that be the wish that you made? Do you ever think about, babe, how right it felt when it was good? How I'd shoot out the moon, babe, just to hold you in the dark if I could. How we'd stay up all night
Oh,
just to feel the sun.
a little bit.
Do you ever think about it, babe? 'Cause it's been so long now since I let you down, and I don't know how. You are so gone now. Lately I've been talking, babe, talking to myself about you. Trying to figure out, babe, all of those things I did.
here we are about to summit Mount Hit.
How I didn't even try when we said our goodbye.
Back down to the cabin.
Yeah, lately I've been talking to me, babe, 'cause it's been so long now since I let
Sweet!
you down.
Cool. Cool run, eh?
And I don't
Yeah,
know
super cool.
how you are so gone now. Now I'm out on the road, babe, with nothing to do but pass the time. I pull away from the towns, babe, like I did to you, and I leave them behind. And when I see you again, it'll be just as friends. Well, that's just how it's gotta be now, babe, 'cause it's been so long now since I let you down, and I don't know how. You are so gone now. Oh, it's been so long now since I let you down, and I don't know how. You are so gone now. How I wish I could change the mind of the world to find better ways, fighting in wars. How I wish I could teach a child to sing, show the smiles, the joy that it brings. How I wish I could learn all that I still don't know, how to be a better man, how to never grow old. How I wish I could write a song for the smile that could bring us together, if just for a while. How I wish there was time for all this and more, to see the change come, to watch it all go. How I wish I could win, have it come true. I'm just for myself, but for all of
We got one more run.
I wish for the best in all that you do. Yeah, all of your wishes come
Avalanche!
That's very comfortable.
Eh?